Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix can't turn on cellular data for some apps. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to close this page and open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on mobile services. Here turn on the toggle for mobile data. Now go back to the previous menu. Now scroll down and tap on screen time. Here again scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now scroll all the way down and tap on mobile data. Here if you don't allow option is selected, then you can't turn on cellular data for some apps. By selecting this allow option, you can turn on cellular data for some apps. Now go back to the mobile data and check that apps is turning on. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.